Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner Reading D。好，那今天呢，我们这一篇它的 title 叫 Little Bird's Surprise。今天学习目标呢，还是会以过去式的句型为主。那有另外一句在引号内他说的话 ，More than well do something。OK，That did not work 是另外一句会重复出现的。What a surprise 到最后。Okay, so bump, clink. Little bird fell out of the nest. The nest was up so high, how would he ever get back home? I know, said the little bird. I'll jump up to the nest. Jump, jump, jump. But that did not work. I know, said the little bird. I'll climb up to the nest. Climb, climb, climb. But that did not work. Little bird began to cry. He flapped his wings to dry his tears. Flap, flap, flap. What a surprise! Little bird could fly. Little bird flew up to the nest. Welcome home, said Mom. You're just in time for dinner. 好，所以呢，这是 Little Bird 的故事。Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.